Hey guys, it's HavasuLew. We're on our way to check out a little 3-bedroom, 2-bath that just had a price reduction. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, right here at 3726 Sloop Lane. Just had a price reduction from $500 to $475. We're out here looking at it for a couple clients. Nice little corner lot, nice neighborhood, kind of a top of town, close to the foothills. No junk around. You have some iron gate side RV boat parking. Looks like it's paved. It looks pretty substantially wide. Probably enough room to put a pretty nice RV garage build on there. Let's go check it out. Probably even get some parking over here if you terrace that down a little bit and maybe put some retaining rocks in there or something. All right guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath built in 1992, 1,536 square feet. Sits on a big corner lot, 11,718 square feet. Nice open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, split bedroom layout. Again, this one just had a price adjustment down to $475. Looks like they did all the plank vinyl floors. They did a kitchen remodel. Looks like there's quartz counters. I like the backsplash color tile. Stainless appliances. You have your little pantry. So you have your indoor laundry, garage access, and your master on one side of the house. So you have a nice master suite, no carpet, same vinyl plank floors. Have a nice sized walk-in closet. Slider out to the backyard. So you have the master bath, solid surface, dual sink top, tile floors, glass slider walk-in shower. Also has a little linen type closet over here by the toilet. We have the other 2 bedrooms and guest bath on the other side of the house. So you have your guest bath. So you got bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. They did some cool closet built-ins. That's a pretty cool idea actually. You have bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house. So you have an indoor laundry room, utility sink. It's a pretty decent size. So you have your 2-car garage, 29.5 feet deep, has a mini split AC unit in here. You have a little gym setup. Have your water softener, RO, water heater out here. Standard 7-foot tall door. Let's go check out the backyard. So this does sit on a pretty big corner lot, 11,700 square feet. They just recently put this wall in around the whole property, so there's plenty of room for a pool. Very private back here. So they have a ton of side RV boat type parking, full hookups, clean out, 50 amp water. You could build a nice RV garage on this, or even put one of those metal buildings up. Tons of room back here to do something pretty nice. Looks like it still has that dual setup unit with the swamp cooler up there. Not sure if it works or not. Most of them don't last very long, so. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Sloop Lane. Again, this one was just reduced down to $475. I will put a link to the listing detail page right below this video, so you guys can always get the current price and original pictures. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.